Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a bit of a different one. I'm just doing a bit of an introduction now. It's going to be basically a review of the coilovers. I know I can't really say much on them, but I can tell you how they drive and how they feel, and what drops I've got and such on my car. I am recording while I'm driving in this video, so you know it's a bit of a different thing, so you'll have to let me know what you guys think, whether the sound's good or whether you know it needs some adjustments or anything like that. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Here's the video. I'm not sure how loud the car is or anything like that. I'm not sure what you can hear, so you'll have to let me know what you guys think to that. But basically this video is going to be a review of the ProSport Coilovers. No, I didn't fit them myself. If you watched my last video, I did explain why that I didn't fit them myself, and that was because obviously I couldn't get the bolts off. Now, a garage that I go to a lot, they did it for me, so it was easier for me to just take it there and get them to do it, because I couldn't get the bolts off. It was just literally just, it was like they was welded on. They had to saw them off, basically. They had to angle grind them off to get them off. By all means, let me know if you guys like this sort of stuff. Again, you know, let me know this sort of stuff. The more likes and more comments and such there is on a video, the more response that it gets with the channel, so which is a good thing, and I appreciate your guys' responses and such. So yeah, as you all know, like I said, if you watched my last video, my springs actually snapped, well, one of them, and I thought, what is the point in replacing one? I'll replace them all. There was just lowering springs. I thought that I had coilovers on the car, but I actually didn't, so it was just literally the A4. It was just literally a lowering spring instead. So with that being said, I thought I'd just go for a full coilover kit. Now I went for the ProSports. Now the driving I had before was a bit, you know, a bit choppy. It was bouncing all over the place. It felt harsh, like really harsh. But since I've had these ProSports, if I'm honest with you, it feels a hell of a lot better than what I thought it would. It doesn't seem to be jumping about all over the place. I mean, the camera is jumping a little bit, I can say now, but compared to the previous set that I had on, I'd say they're 10 times better. They cost me £280 or £260, I can't remember which one. They took 45 minutes a wheel to fit, basically, so you're talking 3 hours for the whole lot. The fitment, when I spoke to the guy who fitted them, he says it was absolutely perfect. He didn't have to knock anything out, knock anything in place. Like I said, the only issue that he had was getting the old ones off. Now these ones, I believe they are a 40 to 80mm drop. Don't quote me on that, I could be wrong. Your standard Corsa VXR is 20mm drop lower than the actual Corsa D, so it gives it that bit of a sportier look. I currently have extra 30mm drop on top of that, which actually makes it so the wheels are sat just underneath the wheel arch, and it makes it look smart, it makes it look nice. Now when I'm going around corners and such, it feels nice, it grips to the road, you don't feel like it's going to go elsewhere. But yeah, it is overall a nice, quite a nice feeling. I always want to put my foot down when I see it straight, but I try not to. And yes, the car is warm, by the way. I have been driving it for a good 25 minutes before I even recorded this video, because I did go and get this phone holder so I could actually try and record something. Always park the furthest away so nobody scratches your car. But yeah, speed humps wise with the ProSports, they are not too bad with them, to be fair. It gives you a good bounce with it. The other ones I had before just seemed like they stayed still. The shocks on the other stuff as well, on the old ones, was leaking, and I had my dreaded MOT this month, which thankfully it passed without a problem. But if I'd have not have replaced the shocks with coilovers and such, it would have failed. So that was another thing that I thought to myself, I am going to just replace the whole lot. It was another basically selling factor, and these are speed humps which I'm currently going over. There's always potholes, speed humps, or anything wherever you want to go. It is an absolute nightmare, and when your car is lowered, absolutely awful. Oh god, there's a big pothole. Okay, yeah, we're safe. But back to the suspension. Like I said, it is worth the money. It is worth the £260. So you're talking 3 hours labour if you wanted a garage to do it. They are pretty simple to fit yourself. It comes with the tools. It comes with the lowering springs. It comes with the shocks for the front and rear. Honestly, as far as I'm for as long as I've had it, I would recommend it to any guys that's wanting to change up coilovers. Obviously, it's not the best set of coilovers. The best set is the KW as well, supposedly the KWs. But I'm not paying $1.50 for some coilovers. Sorry, but it's just not going to happen. I don't see why I should pay that much when I can get something which is just as good. I don't know if you guys heard that, but it popped pretty loud. Traction light went absolutely nuts. Yeah, basically that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys, obviously, a bit of a review on them because I couldn't show you guys fitting them. If you guys like this sort of videos and you guys like this sort of style, it might be a bit everywhere. I don't know what it's like until I go back and review it. But yeah, just let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to see it some more, if the audio's good, if you can hear me over the engine and the wind and the rain and everything else, then let me know. Give me your thoughts on it. If you want any other reviews on anything else, let me know. Comment in the comments. My Instagram as well. I'm always happy to help anybody and any of you guys if I can in any way whatsoever. I am thinking of doing a meetup as well at some point. Maybe when I get 2,500 subscribers or something like that, just as a little goal. So if you guys are up for that, let me know. We can get somewhere in between. I don't mind travelling, providing I'm off, obviously, work and whatnot. So yeah, you'll have to let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe. But yeah, definitely get these ProSports if you're looking for a cheap suspension option.